Welcome everybody. In this video I will show you the top 9 Python shortcuts and secrets that you must know to advance your programming skill. So before getting started, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and continue watching videos. First one is enumerate. I'm putting some values in a variable and using a for loop and enumerating the x. And you can get all the values along with its index from the list. Very helpful for programming, and you will need this always. The second one is multiple assignments. You can assign multiple value to multiple variables at a single line, like this. Very easy and concise. You can see 0, 5, and 10. Number 3 is zip. I'm taking two lists, list 1 and list 2, and I will zip that. And you will need this always when you will work with image or unstructured data. And after zipping these two lists, the zipped file will be an object. Here I call the zip function. I'm putting the two lists. Now if I print, I will get an object. That's basically my zipped file. The fourth one is unpacking operator. Here I'm putting a list onto a variable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And if I say first and then middle and last with an unpacking operator in the middle, and if I print these three variables, you will get the first, last, and middle values. Here you can see the first one is 1, and the second in between, there you will get a list because there are multiple values, and the last one is 6. And the number 5 is sorting. I'm taking a variable and assigning some words. Changing the name, sorted words, because sorted itself a function. Now I will get the sorted list. Cat, dog, and tiger. The sixth one is reduce function. And I will call a library from function tools. Taking a variable and using lambda and taking x and y, where x is multiplied with y. And the values are 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I print the product, I will get 24. Why? Because the first two are working like x and y, and the second two are working like x and y. So here 2 and 1 is 2, and 4 and 3 is 12. So we got 24. And now if I change the value, we will get 3 into 3 is 9, and we will get 9 because the first two is 1. And the seventh one is counter. I will call a library from collections. Taking a variable called count, and here I will use counter. And if I take multiple values, the counter function will return how many values is there, how many times. And if I print that, you will understand what it means. Like there is x for 2 times, There's A for 2 times and there's B for 1 times. Very helpful. And the 8th number is very useful and we need this often, and it is dictionary comprehension. Now if we take a variable called squares, where x, that is power to 2, for x in, I'm taking a range for 10. Now it will give a dictionary of values according to my function. Here you can see all the squared value for x. Now the number 9 is least comprehension. If I take a variable called squares and taking a list, where x is power to 2, and using a for loop where x in range for 20. And if I print squares, I will get values accordingly. You can see the dictionary comprehension and least comprehension and see the difference. And that's the end. If you liked this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.